critical thinking and problem-solving collaborative heroes. Critical thinking Carrie, hey, problem-solving. Want to help me figure out how to get up to that ladder? There is a kitten stuck at the top. I have to get him down. Narrator, oh no. Looks like critical thinking and problem-solving are going to have to evaluate the situation and work through it using their facts and knowledge effectively. Problem-solving Pete, sure. I always love a challenge. Let's save that kitten. Critical thinking, I just can't reach it. The kitten is too high. Problem-solving, maybe we can find something to stand on. Critical thinking, hey, what about that box? Problem-solving. Let's try it. Narrator, critical thinking Carrie tries to stand on the box and it wasn't strong enough because it was sitting in a puddle. Critical thinking, oh no, it's not strong enough. What else could we do? Narrator, critical thinking and problem-solving start to reevaluate their mistake and brainstorm to come up with another solution. Problem-solving. Maybe we could try to pull it down using something? Critical thinking. What could we use to pull the ladder down? Problem-solving. That rope. We can toss it over and pull the ladder down. Critical thinking. Let's try it. Problem-solving. Oh no, the rope snapped. Now it's not long enough. Maybe it's a lost cause. Narrator. It looks like problem-solving Pete and critical thinking Carrie made another mistake. How will they reevaluate the situation and try again? Critical thinking. No, we can't give up now. There has to be a way. Problem-solving. Why don't I boost you up? I'll cup my hands together like this. Does the action. Then you can step in my hand and I'll lift. Critical thinking. We could try it. Problem-solving. Wow. It worked. We were able to reach the ladder. Critical thinking. And we saved the kitten. Thanks. Problem-solving. Narrator. They saved the kitten. No other 21st century skill would have been able to observe, communicate, and analyze the situation like problem-solving Pete and critical thinking Carrie. If it were any other 21st century skill, the kitten would still be stuck in the tree.